Imagine yourself in this 2008 Smart 4.2. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, and AM/FM stereo. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.